Two choices. Pick a buoy. Son of a gun! That's so many lobsters, I don't know where to start. How about giving me a hand? Geez almighty, this one is loaded with lobsters. Wow, that's impressive. Nasty little bugger, ain't ya? Big uns, I tell ya. That's a keeper for sure. What a beauty! Wow, that's impressive. That was great fun. You should be thrilled with all them lobsters.